Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best Asus Rog Strix G16 gaming laptop. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Powerful processor and graphics. The Asus Rog Strix G16 is equipped with the 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13650HX processor, delivering incredible performance for gaming and multitasking. Coupled with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 laptop GPU at 140W Max TGP, this gaming laptop can handle the most demanding games and applications, ensuring smooth performance even during intensive gaming sessions. Blazing fast memory and storage. Speed is key in gaming, and the Rog Strix G16 doesn't disappoint. It comes with 16 GB of DDR5 4800 MHz memory, allowing you to multitask seamlessly. The 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD ensures ultra-fast load times, giving you more storage for your games, videos, and files while significantly reducing boot and load times. ROG Intelligent Cooling. To keep up with the performance demands, the ROG Intelligent Cooling System features Thermal Grizzly's Conductonaut Extreme Liquid Metal on the CPU and a third intake fan. This advanced cooling setup ensures that the laptop stays cool during long gaming sessions, preventing thermal throttling and maintaining peak performance. Swift display. The Strix G16 offers a FHD 165Hz display, which provides fast refresh rates for smooth visuals in fast-paced games. The display is Pant1 validated and covers 100% sRGB, ensuring that colors are vibrant and true to life. Whether you're gaming or editing, this screen delivers exceptional visual quality. MUX switch and Advanced Optimus. The laptop features a MUX switch with Advanced Optimus, optimizing both gaming performance and battery life. This technology allows you to switch between integrated and dedicated graphics, ensuring you get the best performance when gaming and saving power during less intensive tasks. Xbox Game Pass subscription. With the purchase of the Strix G16, you get a 90-day Xbox Game Pass subscription, giving you access to over 100 high-quality games. This is a great bonus for gamers who want to expand their library without additional cost. Aesthetic design. The Strix G16 is not only powerful but stylish. Its design is inspired by cyberpunk aesthetics, featuring graffiti accents and a unique dot matrix design on the lid. The laptop's cross-hatched vents and futuristic look make it stand out from other gaming laptops. Pros. Top-tier performance with the Intel i7 and NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU for demanding games and tasks. Blazing fast memory and storage with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. Superior cooling system featuring liquid metal and a third fan, ideal for extended gaming sessions. High-quality display with 165Hz refresh rate and Pant1 validation for immersive visuals. MUX switch and Advanced Optimus for balancing gaming performance and battery life. Xbox Game Pass subscription for a vast library of games included. Sleek, eye-catching design with cyberpunk-inspired elements. Cons. Price. As with many high-performance gaming laptops, the Strix G16 comes with a premium price tag. Weight. At around 5.5 pounds, this laptop may feel bulky for users who prioritize portability. Battery life. While Advanced Optimus helps, the battery life may still fall short during intense gaming sessions, requiring frequent charging. The Asus Rog Strix G16 gaming laptop combines power, performance, and style. Featuring a 13th Gen Intel i7 processor, RTX 4060 GPU, and ultra-fast storage, it's perfect for gamers and content creators. The ROG Intelligent Cooling System ensures peak performance, while the FHD 165Hz display and cyberpunk design enhance its appeal. Check the price link in the description and subscribe for more tech reviews.